How to create a picture collage to your CapCut videos. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can create a picture collage in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the CapCut application in your mobile device. After that, tap on New Project. From here, you have to select the picture that you would like to add in CapCut. Select a picture and then tap Add. Now once you have added it, you can tap this picture in your timeline, and with the help of your fingertip you can resize this picture and drag it to one corner of this interface. Now to add another picture, again go back, tap on overlay option from the dashboard at the bottom of this interface, and then tap on add overlay. Here again choose the next media and then tap on add. Here you can repeat the same step. You can resize with the help of your fingertip and then drag it to the another corner. And you can repeat the same process with other pictures or content as well, and create a collage according to your preferences in CapCut for the CapCut video. And that's how you can create a picture collage to your CapCut videos. And that's it for this video, and hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.